I absolutely hate banks. I am so tired of watching these garbage yields on checking and savings accounts at 0.01%. The truth is that you can go out there in the world and get a much higher interest rate on your money. So now the question becomes, well, how do you do it? Is traditional banking the mechanism in which you can earn a high yield on your money? The answer is no, it's not traditional banking. Traditional banking sucks the lifeblood out of you, especially when we're in a high inflationary economy. So now it's time to go out there and find out where the good rates are. We're gonna jump into that and discuss them in detail. So where are these rates found? Well, when it comes to cryptocurrency, these rates can be found on different decentralized exchanges. So I want to walk through a few examples and discuss them with you. The first one being Pancakeswap. So if you're already on Binance Smart Chain, you're already going out there buying crypto investments. And a lot of times what we do, especially as early investors, we buy a crypto, which is kind of already difficult enough to navigate. There's so much to learn when it comes to cryptos. But today we're gonna talk about some more advanced tactics and things that are going on these different decentralized exchanges so that you can earn a higher yield on your money. So the first thing I want to walk you through is going over to the farms. And so the way that these DEXs work is you have to think of it more in terms of like the old school stock market, when you would have a market maker that would match you up with a buyer and seller. Well, nowadays you have these DEXs which have liquidity pools. And when you provide liquidity to a pool or to a farm, you then earn interest because you provided the liquidity. So as we scroll down here, we can see right away the Cake BNB liquidity is at 43, roughly 44%. This one I love. It's the BUSD BNB pair, and it pays out almost 25% on a stable coin. I love it because yes, BNB is variable, but BUSD is just stable. So if you have some BUSD and some BNB, you can throw it into this farm and start earning 25%. Not bad, not bad for free money. Really a great way to earn a nice return. The crazy thing is, as we scroll down and look at some of these other farms, look at these crazy APRs, 1000%, another 1000%. Now, I don't know the validity of these coins, so you'd have to do your research, figure out if this is something that you'd want to go into, but it is nice to see that these opportunities exist outside of traditional banking. It also might be a really nice way for you to diversify out your cryptos. You could position it so that you have some in a bag that you just don't touch. Then you could have some that you put into farms. You could have some you put into pools and that you stake. You could also have other coins that you keep on an exchange. There's ways to break this up so that you reduce your risk and you also increase your exposure to get a higher return. And that's what we're all about on this channel. So if you enjoyed that and enjoyed learning about how to make a higher return, give this video a thumbs up. Now let's head over to Sushi Swap. So as we enter the application on Sushi, we can then go over to the farms, check out all the farms. Right away, we can see the total value locked. This one in this case is 3 million, and the returns are still insane. 600%, 500%, 350, another 300. These returns are awesome. Now, I haven't tested all of these pairs. I'm sure some of them are really high risk, some are garbage pairs. I'm gonna leave that for you to do the work on that and figure out which pair makes sense to you. But essentially, the way this works is you have to own both assets. So you own both assets and you put them up into this liquidity farm and then start to earn interest on both of those assets. So the returns on Sushi are also good. The returns on Pancakeswap blew my mind. Now for the 5-star grand finale, I want to talk to you about this other new DEX on the scene, Niobe Finance. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but regardless, let's just take a crazy look at these farms. So we head over to the farm and look at these APRs. And what makes it really special right now is that these returns are on some of the most popular coins out there. We're talking Wrapped BNB, BUSD, BTCB, essentially Bitcoin. We're looking at a 2,000% return if you are putting up the Niobe token in a Bitcoin pair into the liquidity pool. I suspect these APRs are going to go down, but still, this is mind-blowing. This is a new crypto that just launched. Very interesting to see what they're doing. And it's also mind-blowing that they have other pairs that you might not think about, like Ethereum and even DOT down here at these insane APRs. Now, one thing I don't know is what these multipliers represent, but regardless, the APRs are nuts. And then I want to even show you some of the pools, right? Because we can head over to the pools section and just stake our coins. So if we have the Niobe token, we can throw it in there, earn 39% APR. Unstakeable too. You can remove the coins from staking at any time. In addition to that, you could throw it in the locked pool where you will earn 1,230%. That's crazy. This project is going to blow up. And if you guys want access to this project, be sure to click that referral link down in the description. Let's keep going. So as we scroll down, we even see more crazy, mind-blowing crypto numbers. So here we have Wrapped BNB at 800%, BTCB 1000%. You can just throw it in there and then unstake it whenever you want. This is almost a no-brainer. This is like freebie money out there. Now, with that said, I don't know the risk level of this yet because this is a very new project. But if this works, this is a really great way to make money right now. In addition to that, we have Ethereum down here at 900% APR. It makes me want to dump my Ethereum in here. So that's what I wanted to discuss with you today. These yields on these yield farms are totally crazy. Even on some of these stake pools, you can earn a great APR with very low risk. If you guys enjoyed the content, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. Don't forget about the referral link in the description to get access to the platform, and I will catch you guys in my next video.